so great to have you here in Chennai at our home.
Hi Janaki.
So nice to...
It's my pleasure to be here at your place.
Yeah. I love all your videos. I'm a great fan of all those videos that you put in for the dishwasher and various other gadgets, So it's so nice to see some simple explanations, but yet very, very detailed and going to the level of how you maintain things and how you take care, how to optimize, etc. So it's so nice to see those videos. I have a Bosch washing machine.
Yeah.
I've been having it for quite some time now.
Okay.
But I use only a few programs.
Okay.
I would like you to go through the machine and tell me how I can utilize it better.
Pleasure is mine that you have called me here and I've come to Chennai to your place. I'll just look at your machine. Oh, it's a Bosch washing machine.
Yeah.
The 7.5 kg.
Yeah.
Okay, Eco Silence Dry, 1400 RPM. Oh, it's a lovely machine. Looks to be wonderful. Oh, so this is your model number, right? WAT28468IN. So let's see what you have got. So this is the engine compartment. So this place is used for pre-wash. This is for the washing, and this is for middle compartment is for the fabric conditioner or your starch or your liquid glue when you wash whites. And then you have, so this is the control panel, display panel, and also you have a door with an integrated handle, and you can see there is a flap, service flap. So if there is any cleaning to be done, something has got stuck, so you just open this and we can do the cleaning. I can see that there are plenty of programs, and what you want me to look at it and answer your queries.
I usually use only one program, which is the cotton.
But Janaki, you've got so many options here. I think you should be using them.
Yeah, and I think you're the best person to explain it all to me, and so that I can effectively utilize it, and also save on water maybe.
Definitely,
Power, where I don't need to use such a long cycle. I think you're the best person to guide me.
Yes, as you already know, I have my dishwasher videos in which I keep telling about water conserving and power saving. So I'm sure this Bosch washing machine also will be doing that. It will be giving you best results. And since you've got so many options, I think you should be using that.
Correct.
So I'll definitely help you with your queries.
Thank you.
Come on, you shoot your questions. I'll try to help you.
So I use only the standard default options which come with the machine. I'm quite busy, so I'm not able to look at the various options and see if I can explore more.
I can see that. I think even your maid servant does the washing.
Sometimes she loads.
So I think you must be using only the default settings of each program.
Correct. So are there any other options like other temperature options, other spin options which I can use to get a better quality of wash?
Very, very, very good question. Very apt. So Janaki, you asked me which program to select. So I'll show you what are the options available in this machine. Come, let's see. So actually, if you see, there are so many options: cotton, synthetics, daily wash, delicates, or silk, wool, and for washing blankets, jeans, kids wear, gentle wash. And also there's something called allergy plus and super 30 minutes. So there are so many options. I'll not go into details of everything. I'll just take one or two program and then explain based on that. So now it's in off position. By turning this knob, I switch on and I'll select the program. So I've chosen the cotton program option. By default, it is at 40 degrees and the time shown is 1 hour for washing at 40 degrees. And the default RPM is 1400, and the various other options are 1200, 800, 600, 400, and no RPM, no rotation, no spin. And for temperatures you have, this is no temperature, 90, 60, 40, 30, 20, to no temperature. So you can see from no temperature, that is the normal water temperature, to 90 degrees, you can choose whichever temperature you want. So accordingly the time reduces or increases. So based on these temperatures, 4-5 temperatures and these 5-6 RPMs, you can have various combinations in washing cottons alone. I'll show you selecting one more program. Let me choose, say, wool. So I've chosen washing of wool, the wool program option. Here you can see the temperature by default is the normal temperature, and time taken is 40, and the default RPM is 800. So I can change the temperature if I want, say 40, 30, 20, or the same. So supposing I want to keep it at 20, I can do that. This is for places where you are living in a cold region. This might help, but in India, I think the this setting is enough because our normal temperature itself is 40 plus in summer. And RPM, you don't need 800 for wool, so you can reduce it to whichever you want, 600 or 400 or no spin. Then you start the program. Similarly, I'll show you one more program. Say let us take, there is one jeans option. If you see, the default temperature is 40, time shown is 1 hour 11 minutes, RPM is 800. So you can retain as it is, or you change the, so here again you can check the temperature. There are from cold to 40. Default. So you saw the temperature options. Now we'll see the RPM. By default it's showing 800. When I try to change it, it goes to 600, 400, 0. There is no spin. Or this means it is it will hold at rinse, and you can stop and remove or do whatever you want. And after that you even have the 1200 option. So you can choose whichever you want.
I'm assuming that there is some child lock facility. Can you demonstrate it?
Yeah, sure. Yes, Janaki, there's an option for child lock, and it also protects against any function being changed. For you have selected some program and you don't want it to get disturbed inadvertently. To avoid that, you can use this child lock facility, which I'll show you how to do. As you see, I have selected a program here, and I want to do the child lock. I hold the spin and ready button for 3 seconds. So it has come. This symbol is on, that means now it is locked. So it protects against the program being tampered or changed also. This will remain till the end of the program. And if you don't want it, do the same thing to deactivate. Hold for 3 seconds. You see, Janaki, you can activate child lock only after you have chosen a program and it starts running.
When there is a power outage,
Yeah.
and after the power resumes, do we need to really reset the program and go from the start?
Yeah, this is the most common doubt generally people have. Just like in other washing machines, in your model also, whenever the power resumes, the program starts running from that point onwards.
Do I really need to soak my clothes before a wash for an effective wash? Do we need to sort all the clothes before wash?